Alright, so today we will start chapter 3. Chapter 1 and 2, all the materials I have uploaded in the Google Drive. Before we start, let us recall a little bit. The first chapter was probability, and then we split this probability into discrete and continuous. This is chapter 1, this is chapter 2. Now we are moving to chapter 3. Okay, in chapter 3 now, we are going to study in detail regarding discrete and continuous probability. Okay, so for discrete there are two special probability known as binomial and Poisson. Yang dah go through my slide, dah go through the video, tahu lah tentang ni ya. Yang ini saya dah share dalam link, quite easy. You guys can go through this one. For continuous, there's one special probability known as normal. Okay, ini chapter 3. Today we will go through normal. Yang ini you can go through the one I share with you in the Google. Alright, so the slide will straight away go for normal here. For normal distribution, first of all you need to know how to use the table. Okay, this table I have shared with you. Let us start. All right. The first question is A. We are learning how to use the table first. Probability of Z greater than 1.25. So how to use the table to find this probability? This is the table. The table here you can see that this is the diagram. Okay, this is the diagram. We call this as bell shape. Bell shape. It start from here 0, 1, 2, 3, and some table goes until 4. You can see here. Okay, 0 until it goes until 4. So you can put a 4 here, but 4 normally we don't use much. Okay, for the first time I draw like this, but normally we don't put this value here. Same goes here. This is negative. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, only for the first time we put this value. After this we just draw the shape. That's it. Yang mana? Yang ini ya? Question. P is that greater than 1.25. Boleh? Saya punya Z macam ni. Tak maaf dia kalau macam ni dia nampak macam 2. So kita letak macam ni. Tapi kadang-kadang macam ni nanti orang ingat dia 7. Kadang saya punya tulisan kadang-kadang macam okay. Alright, so we use this table to answer all this question here. First of all, the area under the table, the whole area is equal to 1. Macam samalah probability. Probability kan dia maximum adalah 1 kan, probability, that's the thing. Okay, total area is equal to 1. And this shape is symmetry. Symmetry means separuh-separuh. Kalau satu semua, yang separuh saja berapa? 0.5. Right? Alright. For the first time I explain like this. Later you will understand all these things. Okay. If you want to find this value, first of all identify where is 1.25. 1.25 is somewhere here. Put a line here. And then look at the arrow. It shows on the right hand side. So it shows here, right hand side, shade this part. So we want to find the area of this one, and all this value in the table only give the area from here onwards. Here onwards. It's not from here. If it is false here, then we have to convert. That's what we're going to learn today. Okay, yang ini senang je. Nombor 1 senang je. Go here 1.2. First 2 digit 1.2 is here. 1.2. Okay. And the last digit is 5, isn't it? Go to 5. Here. Crisscross. Yang ini dengan yang ini. Nombor mana? 0.1056. That is the answer. This is the table you're going to use in the final also. So we'll straight away train on this table. In the final exam, you will receive a book. Kalau you ini muka surat berapa ni? Ada tak muka surat? Ni muka surat 13. Kalau you ambil buku tu, you select pada 13 apalah ni? I repeat First of all, make sure kalau you nak baca daripada table ni you punya shaded part adalah daripada ke kanan. Kalau macam ni, boleh ke kita baca daripada sini? Tak boleh. kita kena tukarkan. Nanti kita tengok macam mana tukarkan semua ni. Okay, shaded part tu mestilah daripada from the right hand side, from here, only this part the value valid. Okay, now for this question 1.25 somewhere here. Okay, 1.25 on the right hand side. Just remember that this is right hand side, this is left hand side. That's it. Okay, 1.25 somewhere here, and then the arrow shows on the right hand side. Okay, on the right hand side. Okay, all good. Okay, 1.2, the first 2 digit is here, and then the third digit you follow here, 5, and then crisscross. Persilangan di sini. Boleh? Okay, so 0.1056. Alright, this is, hopefully you guys understand. We have many, you can see there are many cases we're going to see all this before we go through the real problem. We need to know, we need to understand how to read the table. Okay, next question. If I want to draw the graph, now no more putting the value, just shape 0 here, that's it. Negative 1.25 somewhere here. And where is the shaded part? Ditunjuk ke arah sebelah yang ini. Okay. But then, as I told you, this is on the left hand side. This is on the left hand side. We can, because the area on this part and this part is the same. Luas dia. Okay, so I can switch. Now I can switch. If I want to find this area, I just switch. Because luas dia sama aja. So symmetry. Cuma when you switch, you put here positive, negative become positive, but the area still same, because angka dia sama, area still same. Why we have to switch? Because table ni hanya bagi nilai ke sebelah kanan sahaja. When you switch, what is this value again? Just now we found same thing, isn't it? 0 point, same thing. So this how you switch daripada negative ke positive. Salin yang ini. Tadi yang ini dah salin ke? Tak apa, salin. Right. I will tell you which question you have to submit to me. Ini nota saja. Nanti bila sebagi tahu baru keluarkan A4, tulis nama semua tu. Okay. Alright, we go for next question now. Salin. Alright, we go for C now. Sebelum, before I shape in the bell shape, you guys cuba shape in bell shape yang ni. In case yang ni letak kosong dekat sini. Untuk for this question, where is the shading part? Right? Salah tak apa, cuba. Now, negative 1.25. So, where should I put negative 1.25? It's somewhere here. And where is the shaded part? On the right hand side. Right hand side, you shade here. Did you shade here? Okay. Good. So, we're going to find the red color now. But this is on negative, isn't it? So what we have to do? Switch it. Switch to positive part. So the red color area is the same. As this one, the same thing. Okay, this red color area and this red color area is the same. It was there. Now, in the table, we want to find the red color area. We want to find this one. In the table, which area we can find in the table? Look at this one. Which area? The right hand side, the blue color. This one. The table will give you this area, not this area. Dia akan bagi sebelah kanan saja. Okay. Find the blue color area first. 1.25. Just now 1.25 is the same thing here. This is actually 0.10. How to find the red color? Total area below the graph is what? 1. So red color should be 1 minus, there you go. You will get 0.8944. Okay. For D, I want you to try first. For D, probability of 0.5 2.5. How to shade this? Zero 0.5 and 2.5 both are positive. So 0.5 you write it here, put it somewhere here, and 2.5 put it somewhere here. You want to find only this part. Okay, I leave it to you first how to find. You try first. If you want to find this, first of all, find this area. Cari daripada 0.5. 0.5 where? Here. Berapa? 0.30. Okay, this whole in the green color area is 0.3085. Tolak dengan yang ini. Tolak dengan yang ini dari sini. 2.5 sini. 0.00621. That is the answer. Can you guys understand? Okay, cari yang besar, tolak yang kecil tu, tinggal yang straight tu. Itu jawapan kita. All right. Next one, after D, we are going for E. Tidak salin ke? E. Probability of negative 0.5 in Z is in between negative 0.5, negative 4.5. So if I want to shade this, this is the shaded part on the negative side. If negative side, what do you have to do? Switch to positive. If you switch, you will get this. Now you try use the table, the same method I use for D. Find me the value of E. The table I share in the group, isn't it? You can use the phone. See the table. First of all, what you do here, find this whole area from 0.45. 0.4 is here and 5 is here, this one. Okay, kalau you ambil yang ini, you akan dapat berapa? 0.3264. Dapat tak? Okay. Okay. And then you will minus. Okay, nampak? You will minus this part, this blue color, from here onwards. that is 2.0 and 5. That is minus 0.02018. So if you do this, you will get 0.30622. Dapat tak ini? Ya, okay, bagus. Lebih kurang dapat. Reading the table is very important for you to do normal distribution. Alright. Tak apa, salin dulu. Alright. Okay, E done. We are going for F now. For F, you guys try. I hope you guys know how to read the table now. Okay, cuba yang ini. Shade, try to find the answer. So you should get the shaded part like this, the red color. The red color is the one we're going to find. The red color, the one in the between. Negative, in between negative 0.42 and positive 1.34. So what to do now? The answer for this one should be the total area under the graph is 1. You have to minus the A minus the B. Minus A minus B, left is the red color. Okay. So let us find the B here. For B, B is quite easy. 1.3 is here and 4 is here. That would be 0. This is B is 0.0901. For A, this is negative. I switch to positive. This is A, 0.42. Managed to get A and B. Now you minus 1 minus this is the answer. take out a piece of paper. Today's number, metric number. Today's number, metric number, apa lagi? Tarik section. And then write this question. Salin Solani. Alright, so you're going to submit that to me later. Okay, Salin Solani, how to draw this? Zero is here, 0.97 is here, 95 here. You have to find the shaded part from 0 to 0.95. Saya bagi hint, lepas tu you cuba. Tak apa, salin dulu, salin dulu. So for you to find the shaded part here, what you need to do is you have to find this whole thing, the green color. But we know what is the values, eh? Separuh berapa? Very good. 0.5 minus tolak yang sebelah sini. 0.95. So you tolak cari 0.95. 0.9 is here. 5 is here. 0.95 tolak 0.1711. So kalau you tolak ni, you akan dapat 0.3289. you akan buat 3 soalan Ini satu, nanti you akan hantar saya 3 soalan. Alright, H negative 0.95. Ini senang je. Dia sekarang sebelah kiri, on the left hand side, and then the shaded part is here, but this is on the negative side. You change it to positive. You change to positive, but this is same with the previous one, isn't it? So sama, jawapan dia pun sama, salin. Ini soalan kedua. Okey. Soalan ketiga. Tak ada dekat sini Soalan ketiga tak ada dekat sini, saya tak tulis. Sepatutnya kena ni extra I. You guys, sebelum saya bagi jawapan, cuba yang ni. Cuba yang ni. So if you do this, this is the shaded part you need, and then it's the negative part. You need this one 0.5 minus this part is how much? Do you get 0.00357? Good. So you guys get the idea now. 0.49643. Alright, good. So you guys managed to read the table. That's good. So later when you send to me, not now. We go a little bit on exercise 2. We do 1 or 2 question here. Alright, exercise in class 2. Dah salin ke tadi? Ni? Alright. In exercise 1, what we found is kita bagi nombor dekat sini, kita cari dia punya luas. That is exercise 1. For exercise 2 now is the reverse. I give you the area or the probability. Find me the number. Reverse now. How to do this? Okay, copy this one first. All right. If I want to sketch this, okay, there are 2 methods. For the beginning, I draw 2. Once you dah expert, sekali pandang kita tahu dekat mana nak tulis. There are 2 diagram. The K can be on the left hand side because K we don't know, right? Positive or negative itu tak tahu. Dia mungkin dekat left ataupun dekat right. Let's say K is on the left. Where is the shaded part? Look at this arrow. It goes to right hand side. So you shade here. Okay. Now, if K is on the positive part, you will also shade on the right hand side. Now, look at this value, 0.4. The red color area is 0.4. You think which one is the correct diagram, A or B? How many of you say A? Angkat tangan. How many of you say B? Good. It is B. Why? Sebab separuh adalah 0.5. So ini adalah kurang daripada 0.5. So mesti dah dekat sini. Yang ini dah lebih dah. Ini adalah hilang pula. This is more than 0.5. This is less than 0.5. Tak masuk akal. Boleh faham tak? Very good. So we choose this one. So we choose this one. I'm going to focus on this. Our correct diagram is this one. This is 0.4153. This one cannot be 0.4, yeah? Hope you guys understand. Any problem, let me know. Now go back to the table. We're going to do the reverse thing. Cari dalam ni mana nilai mana yang lebih dekat atau sama dengan 0.4153. 0.4129 and another one is 0.4168. Yang mana paling dekat? Cuba ambil yang ini. Cuba ambil yang 0.4168 tolak dengan 0.41. Kita nak tengok beza dia. Beza yang paling kecil adalah nilai yang paling bagus. Boleh faham Ni 3. Kalau saya tolak ni saya dapat 15 dekat sini. Okey, satu lagi nombor yang paling dekat adalah 0.4153 minus 0.4129. Ini kalau saya tolak saya dapat ni 4, ni 2. Saya dapat 24. Yang mana paling bagus? So nilainya adalah ambil nilai ni. Nilai ini adalah 0.21. So K adalah sama dengan 0.21. That is the answer. Boleh faham? Okay, we do a lot of question. We have, don't worry. Alright, one last question. 0.9738. Two possibilities. K can be on the left hand side, K can be on the right hand side. Which one you guys think? A or B? Good. So we go for A because this is greater than 0.5. So it is on the left hand side now. Okay, it's on the left hand side. Copy first. Alright, since it is on the left hand side, what we need to do, we have to switch it to positive. It's in the negative side now. Change it to positive. But remember, when you change the K to positive side, the other side, negative to positive or positive to negative, you change the sign. Here positive, isn't it? Positive K here. You bring that side, right here negative K. Right here negative K. Change the sign. And this side is the shaded part. Now remember, our table gives only the right hand side, the blue color one. How to find the blue color? 1 minus 0.9738, you will get you will get 0.0262. Okay, you guys get this, alright. So dekat sini 0.0262 yang on the right hand side, go for 0.0262. This one, exactly there's a value here, 0.0262. 1.94. So what you have to do? Negative K, negative K is equal to 1.94. So K is equal to negative. That is the answer. Because K is supposed to be negative value, isn't it? So your answer also must be negative value. Remember that. Alright. So that's all for today. I will continue this in tutorial. Tomorrow I will see section 5, 11:30. Alright. Pass up me your exercise. Alright. Thank you.